What are you doing in there? We are packing for my birthday trip. Unfortunately, I am a little bit sick. So, I'm gonna have to take it easy on this trip, but I wanted to bring you guys with me. We are going to my favorite place on earth. I've actually never stayed there before, so I'm excited. I just wish I wasn't sick. But we are packing right now. I do have on my bikini top. And this is the shirt I'm wearing, I think. Let's see how it looks. Okay, so these are the shorts that I'm gonna wear. They're from Paxton. They're so cute. I don't know why it folds like that. Can we just take a minute for the bikini though? So cute. Done. And here's the top. I think it's super funky and pretty. This little butterfly. I'm bringing my teddy. And Zoe's coming. Look how close we are to the beach. Hi guys, so we're here. I did not know that it was like right on the beach. She's so like excited. It's like super cloudy though. But let's do a tour. Cute. cute balcony. And the ocean. Hi. They gave us free beer. And we're walking from the Airbnb now. Look how close the water is. Like, oh gee. What? They also have like a ton of shops. Super cool. Hi. So we're at the beach, but I need to put my lip gloss on. The NYX Tinted Lip Balm. I love it. We're trying to find somewhere to eat, but most places don't allow dogs. So we're at a dilemma. Still though, the day is so beautiful. I took my shoes off. So let's go. We're eating now. And I got a tuna salad sandwich. Hey. I'm like down. It started to get really cold outside. Like, if you guys can see, it is completely overcast and kind of cold. And I really needed to just lay down. Honestly, being outside made me feel a lot better, but I don't want to feel worse in the morning. So right now I'm just like resting, but I wanted to come on here to say hi. I definitely want to stay here again. I love the fact that it's like right near the beach, literally walking distance, and there's like coffee shops and so much cool stuff. I want to do a trip that's longer next time and just enjoy the beach all day. So pretty. Pretty stairs. surfer. Guys, I found swings. Swings and this view. I got cold, but this tea is so good. I got like a lemon and ginger tea. So bomb. But the water is so blue. And it looks so clean. I really want to go swimming. Wait. Hi guys. We're still at this restaurant. It's like taking so long for the food to come. Also, the view is spectacular. The waves are insane. We did order like some oysters, but we had to send them back because they weren't good. It was like sticking to the shell. They were so dry. And I know my oysters, so I was like, absolutely not. So we sent them back. Yeah, this place is interesting. It's not the best, but it's pretty. Also some bread. Hey, it's my birthday. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe it. I am still feeling like under the weather, which sucks. I need some ginger tea, so hopefully that helps me feel better. But also just laying out here in the sun is like peak. And my dog is here. I'm so happy that I got to bring her. This is like her first ever trip, ever. I have been resting and honestly taking some pictures and stuff. Yeah. I really wish I felt good enough to like ride bikes and stuff, but I'm definitely gonna be back here for sure. This is gonna be like a regular spot for me because it's so nice. It's literally right next to the beach. Like, what more can you ask for? I just can't believe it's my birthday too. I'm like, time goes by so fast. It goes by too quickly. Make sure to salvage. Is that the word? Be grateful for every moment. Because it goes by like that. Zoe. She's like a cat. I'm gonna take some pictures though. And I'll see you guys after this. Found a little Rocky. Look at all the rocks. I spent the rest of my birthday just reminiscing and looking at old photos from my childhood. It honestly was so healing. This is me and my grandmother, and it just hit me how much I missed her and how time just flies by. Man, and I remember this day like it was yesterday. This was a beautiful cafe that I went to, got myself a bite to eat. Got like this salmon, smoked salmon, avocado thing. Oh my god, so good. It actually was probably the best thing that I ate while I was there. Yeah, just spent the day on my own and really being grateful for my life and what I have. We are back home. We've actually been back for like a couple days now. I am officially 100 or 95% better. There's Zoe in the back. Yeah, we're definitely gonna do a round 2. You're coming with. Even though I was sick, it still was a magical birthday for me. I got to take it easy and like sit on the beach. I was very mindful about where I went, so I made sure to just like be outside and not indoors so I don't get other people sick. But we're home now. I'm doing some stretching and just kind of like unwinding. A lot is happening in my life, and yeah, I really need a trip. I really need to like go somewhere and be by the ocean again. But thank you guys so much for joining me on this beautiful trip. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. I love bringing you guys like along with me, and more to come, more trips to come, I promise. I hope your week is going good so far. Like, subscribe, comment, let me know what you want to see next. Bye.